here again. I'm just going to log in as this test student and show you guys how you can access your Zoom lesson if you're on a computer. So you might have watched the how to access your Zoom lesson via the portal via a mobile device. If you haven't, please do watch it so you know how to do it. So this is really cool. So if you're on a computer, you log in as a student, and if you go to the right here where it says your next lesson, if you literally just click that red video icon, it will take you straight to Zoom and to join the meeting. So you can either do that, click that. I won't click it now because I want to show you another way you can do it, but that is the quickest way to do it via the portal. Now you can also go to your schedule. If you go to your weekly schedule and then just click your lesson here, you can check in, which means that it's attended. This is just quickly, this is also where you can cancel your lesson or try and reschedule it. But as you know, like rescheduling lessons is subject to demand, so it really, but you will, when you reschedule it, you will be able to see what open times I have. So that's quite cool. But again, yeah, you just click this little red video icon once you're on here, and this is what will happen whether you click it where we just looked on the dashboard or whether you click it here. It will launch this. What I recommend is if you just click this box at the top that says always allow zoom.us to open Zoom, that means it will automatically open the Zoom desktop client. So if you click that box, choose application. Okay, we're going to go through another process. So that, yeah, so clicking Zoom, always use this application for Zoom links, open link, and it should launch Zoom, as you'll see in a sec. And there we are, you'll be in the waiting room, and yeah, just hello from me. But yeah, that's how you access your Zoom lesson via the portal on a computer or a laptop. Super simple. Obviously you can still access Zoom how you usually do via the link and stuff like that via the app, but this is just another way you can do it. So cool, I'll see you in your lesson.